Hi guys, this is your girl Anne. I have some random question of me here that I'm gonna answer for you. I just think it's important for you to know a few things about me. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some mukbang question and answer video. Alright, so stay tuned. So I have my pizza here ready. Pizza. Let's try a melon. Let's try. So I'm gonna drink and eat and answer these questions that I have here in this bowl. Alright, let me have a bit of pizza. Guys, this is pepperoni. Comment below and tell me what is your favorite pizza. This is lovely. Time for some red stripe. Refreshing. For our first question. Our first question is, where is your favorite place to visit? Okay, so my favorite place to visit was Paris, or still is Paris. It's gonna get better, guys. The tower is going to open up back. We're gonna visit Paris. I'm gonna visit Paris. It's gonna be on my bucket list, and I'm going to make it my utmost best so that I can visit it and look at the beautiful places there. My dream was always to be visiting that country. So I will be going there. Okay? Thanks for this question. Another bite. Pizza is good. See? Always hear my mommy said, never you talk with food in your mouth. But this is good food. Yeah. Next question. What's the name and make of your first car? Oh, this is easy. The name and make of my first car is Toyota, and the make Sprinter. Guys, let me tell you about this car. This car, I have it for more than 12 years. It works so well. I used to travel every morning from St. Thomas to my workplace in Kingston. It never leave me on road. It always take me to my destination. It's a very good brand, guys. Very, very, very good car. And I got rid of it lately. I still think about it. It's a very good car. Yeah. So if you're thinking about buying a car, Toyota, good brand. It is. Let's drink to that, guys. I can't stop drinking this. See? No promotion, but restaurant melon, the bomb, the best. So if you don't drink alcohol and you want to try out something in a little bit with a little bit of alcohol, restaurant melon, it's the best. Let's see our next question. What's the name of the primary school you attended? Okay, guys, I went to Mark Bay Primary School. I went to Gimme Me Bit Primary School because I was like from Clarendon to St. Thomas. So I went to more than one primary schools. Yeah. Primary school days were the bomb. They were the good times at primary school. Those days, yes, we had fun. Yeah. Yes, primary school was the best days. Let's eat and drink to that. Pizza is good. Yes, pizza. Another drink. So let's take the next question. Where was your first place of work? Wow, my first place of work was none other than Morant Bay High School. Let all the Morant Bay Heights people just leave a comment below. The workplace for me, I was a teenager when I started working there, and I've learned so much. It's a nice school. The staff were excellent, the staff were loving, the children were the best children when we started out. I learned so much at Morant Bay High School. That place, really a good school. Yeah, I love Morant Bay High School. It's the best in the parish, St. Thomas. Yes, it's the best school in St. Thomas. Yeah, let's drink to that. Yes. Next question. What is your favorite pet? Wow. My favorite pet is a dog. Yes. My favorite pet, Shaggy Z. She was so loving. She was one of the best dogs you could ever find. She died a couple years ago and we were really sad. Shaggy said was always so protective of us. Going out and coming in, Shaggy said would like, if anything is around, he would bark, run after them and make sure the way is clear for us to go home and open the gate and drive in. And when we reach in now, Shaggy's head will just like come, almost taking us out of the car. Can you believe that? He was a loving dog. He almost want to kiss you when you come home. Yes, I still miss him. Comment below, what is your favorite pet? Yeah, Shaggy was the best. Let's drink to it. I'm still sad. Dogs don't live forever, guys. I'm still sad. Let's eat some more pizza. Never you practice to eat and drink. That's not good. Yeah. Next question. What is the name of your favorite movie? Oh yes, my favorite movie. Okay. I love any movie that Jason Statham, that's the pronunciation, is the star. I love that guy in movie. I just love his movies. His movies are the best. Yeah. And I like other shows like Suits. Suits is really a good movie. Yeah. I don't know if they're going to be having any other series, but I've watched all the series. It's great. It's just good for the family. It's good show. Yes. Let's drink to that. And guys, if you know of any other or any Jason Statham movie, comment below. Tell me about them. I'll find them and watch them. Okay? Thank you. Who is your favorite actor? Oh yes, I did say Jason. Yeah, he's my favorite actor. I just love his movies. I love his accent. I love his movies. Okay, guys? Yeah. Jason Statham. Right. If I don't pronounce it right, please help me. Or, yes. Next question. Who is your best motivator? My best motivator is my mother. Yes, she is my motivator. She's a strong black woman. She's everything to us. She loves her children. She works hard. She's a prayer warrior. She loves her church. She loves family. She loves to cook for her children. She just loves to be a mother. And I love her. I love her endlessly. She takes care of us well. I love you, mommy. Yes, I love you. I really do. Yes. I'm getting emotional again, guys. Let's drink to that. Yes. Our mommy. She's our motivator in everything. We never do anything without saying to ourselves, Mommy, can you pray for us? We're going to do this or that. And so, okay, I'll pray. Prayer is the key. So we always never go anywhere or do anything without prayer. Okay? Next question. What's your favorite food? My favorite food. Well, I love porridge. Can you see that? Can you see that in my videos? The number of porridge that I have made. I love porridge. My daughter always said when she writing essays in school, my mommy's favorite food is porridge. Can you believe that? I would eat porridge morning, evening, anytime. Yes, I love porridge. And I love to eat also ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. I love that. But on a given day, whatever I feel like to eat, I'll just eat. Right? But comment below what's your favorite food, guys. I love to see some of them. Okay? Let's drink for that. Get me a toast. Pizza getting cold, but I just love it. Delicious. Next question. What parish are you from? Yeah, I'm from the beautiful parish of St. Thomas. Yes, St. Thomas. That's where I come from. I love St. Thomas. I love our people there. I just love St. Thomas. Anywhere I go, I want to go back to St. Thomas. I love St. Thomas. It's dear to my heart. My first love. I'll never forget St. Thomas. Okay? What's your favorite parish? What parish are you from? Let me know below. Alright? Drink to, toast to it. Pizza is good too. It's not my favorite, but I love pizza. Next question. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is jackfruit. No pun intended. Yes, jackfruit is my favorite fruit. I love jackfruit. I eat jackfruit. I'll sit down. I will go to the market and buy jackfruit and just come home and say, okay, I buy jackfruit for the week, and I will just take it out and eat a peg, then another peg, then another peg, and then it's all finished. I just love jackfruit. I love jackfruit. Jackfruit is the best fruit. Yeah. Jackfruit is very nice. Yeah. Yes. Drink to that. Next question. I realize you did several porridge videos. Do you like porridge? Oh yes. My favorite food. I'll eat porridge morning, lunchtime, dinner time, anytime. I just love porridge. Porridge is nice to eat. I just like it. I just like any porridge. From its porridge, I will just ask you for porridge. If there is nothing else, I'll just say, just give me some porridge. I'm good with that. I love porridge. How many? The best porridge, guys. How many? I love that porridge. Let's toast to that. Let's pour some more. Hope I'm not drunk today. Let's pour some more. Eat some more pizza. I'm going to have to walk off these, you know. I love a pizza. Next question. Oh, Christian finish. Oh my God, Christian finish. Guys, it was great having you here. Thank you as always for watching all my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And from all the first timers, Thank you for coming and watching, and thank you for subscribing, and touch that notification bell. Toast to that. I enjoy answering those questions. Looking forward to another great video. Thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching my other videos. Guys, I love you all. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't continue to do this, so I'm grateful. Yes, continue eating my pizza. So it's a pleasure having you over here today. I'm looking forward to another great video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.